A frightful night.
The construction crew is gathered in front of an old factory building.
So, this is our next project.
It looks creepy. Why do we have to do this at night?
We have no choice. We can't do construction work during the day when all the students are in class.
All right, let's get started.
Okay.
Huh? Ooh, what was that?
What is it, Poco?
Huh? It looks like a tire.
It can't be!
What? What's wrong?
Well, I heard a story about a ghost truck that's missing a tire.
A ghost truck?
Ghost truck?
Yeah, there was an accident in this building, and they say he comes here every night to find his missing tire. What if this is the ghost truck's missing tire?
No way! There's no such thing as ghosts.
He's right.
Yeah, let's just continue on with work.
All right.
What was that noise?
Can it be the ghost truck?
That's impossible.
It's all just a rumor.
Is that the ghost truck?
Wow. It may take a while to repair all of you. I'll try to do as much as I can, but I won't be done until tomorrow. You guys should stay here with me until I finish.
Okay.
What happened to you anyway?
You won't believe this, but we saw a ghost last night.
What? A ghost?
You saw a ghost?
Hey guys!
Is that really true?
Did you really see a ghost? Yeah, it screamed really loud and knocked over boxes.
We were so frightened.
A ghost!
How scary. So that's how you got hurt?
Tell us more, please.
Let's go, kids. You're going to be late.
Okay.
You have to tell us when we get back.
Okay.
A ghost? How scary.
It's not that scary, scaredy cat.
What? Actually, I'm not scared at all.
But you just said you were.
No, I didn't. Want to make a bet then?
Bet?
Yeah. We'll go to the construction site and see who's more scared then.
All right, that's nothing.
Then let's go there later tonight.
Okay.
Oh, I sure hope they'll be okay. It looks so creepy, but I can't be scared in front of Rogi.
It does look really scary, but I can't lose to Tayo. Let's go in.
Okay.
Huh? It's Tayo and Rogi. What are they doing here? I'll give them a scare. Guys! Oh no, they're gone.
Really? Yeah, there really was a ghost.
It was so scary.
We were lucky to have gotten away.
But you guys might not have been so lucky.
How scary!
Hey guys!
Oh, Speedy! What brings you here?
Oh, I wanted to apologize. I was the one that scared you last night. I'm sorry.
What?
You ran away so fast. I didn't have a chance to tell you.
So, you two ran away because of Speedy and not a ghost?
You guys are scaredy cats.
What? Scaredy
Scaredy
cats?
cats. Come on, Gani. Let's get to work.
Okay.
See you later.
They were making fun of us. Hey, Rogi, let's go back to the construction site tonight.
Okay, we'll show them how brave we are.
There. You guys are all good to go.
Really?
Uh-huh. Now you can all go back to the construction site.
The construction site? But Hannah, I don't feel very well.
I think I'm still feeling a bit sick. Oh.
I don't think we're ready to go back.
Can we rest a little bit longer?
Well, I suppose, if you feel like that.
Thank you, Hannah.
Tayo, the little bus. I'm not a scaredy cat. I'll show them. I'm gonna go back to the construction site tonight. We've arrived!
Excuse me,
Huh?
but have you seen this cat?
A cat? I don't think so.
Really? Oh.
Does the cat belong to you?
Yeah, her name is Titi, and she's like a part of my family. But I lost her by accident at a park nearby.
Oh no, what a shame! Don't worry, I'm sure you'll find her. I'll let you know if I come across her anywhere.
Thanks a lot.
And player number 3 is up.
He's doing great.
He's so fast.
I thought they were supposed to be sick.
I heard that too.
Oh, my back. I feel so sick.
What's wrong with player number 3?
I heard they haven't been back at work because they're scared of seeing a ghost.
What a bunch of scaredy cats.
And player number 3 is down. What is going on with him?
Oh, I think they've heard us.
Let's go.
And player number 3 is left in the dust. It's such a shame.
We're the neighborhood laughingstocks.
And we can't keep putting our work off.
But what if the ghost is still there?
Yeah.
That night, Tayo and Rogi went back to the construction site.
We're gonna do it this time for sure, Rogi.
Yeah, we're gonna show those guys. Let's go.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Me too. But let's go in a little further.
Okay.
I don't think the ghost is here.
Maybe it ran away when it saw us.
Maybe. What was that?
It can't be.
What were you two doing here?
It's not safe for you kids to be here this late.
We're sorry. But are you feeling all better now?
Of course, we feel great.
That's a relief.
Actually, we've been fine for a while.
We were just scared to come back here.
Really?
Yeah, we really were.
But it's okay now. We have to do our job after all.
You're all so brave!
It's that sound again.
But where is it coming from? Huh?
Is it over there? Huh? Oh! They're little kittens!
What?
Then what we heard...
We're just baby kittens? But what about the falling boxes?
Yeah, they couldn't have dropped them.
That must be...
The kitten's mother!
Then it must have been the mother trying to protect her babies.
So, there was no ghost after all!
That looks like... Titi? Huh?
Oh, Titi! Where have you been? I was so worried.
And we have another present for you.
A present? Are those...
They're Titi's adorable little kittens.
Aren't they cute?
Yes! Thank you, Tayo.
No problem. But actually, the brave construction crew were the ones that found them. Right?
Well,
I wouldn't say brave, but I guess we did find them.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No problem.
It was nothing.
Titi the cat was safely returned to her owner, and the story of the ghost will be a secret.